Hello, Williams, Philippines. It's about 9:20 in the morning, a.m. Thursday or Tuesday, April 29th, 2025. Hey, I don't know about y'all, but it's been rainy and all I see is cloudy outside, and all I want to do is curl up and go to sleep. And I've been yawning like crazy for the last 3 hours. Surprised I'm still awake. I barely got food down. Yeah, and barely been. Yeah. Oh, I have to say, I'm surprised. I don't know if you can see the little light on it, but yeah, it actually is taking a charge. Uh, it's one of these little Apple, I don't know what they call it. It didn't show up when I plugged it in, but it's charging. So I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, it's supposed to be able to put music on it. I was thinking I might try to do that for a few songs that I have and take and have that to plug in and listen to when I fly over if it's still working. If not, well, crap happens. It's okay because it is what it is. Sorry, very much not wanting to be awake right now. Between running over to the grocery store and pharmacy yesterday morning, oh, I had a problem. Got new credit cards, fixed it. Yesterday, I was trying to use my credit card, or well, my debit card, and I'm over here trying to put in my PIN, and the system's coming up. Nope, nope, nope. Finally, lady behind me at the counter there, she takes and says, "Here, I'll cover it." I said, "Well, no, ma'am, I got money." And I showed her to turn around my phone, show her, my account. And she, yeah, she said, "Okay, move." I was thankful. Please, thank you. I think Miss Kathy, uh, sweet lady. But yeah, I was like, appreciate the fact that she would do that for me. But, I was really irritated with myself. I got all the way out to my car. I'm driving down the road, and then I remember, oh, I just did uh, more stuff. I just did, a new debit cards, new pins. Yeah. Needless to say, yeah. Now I'm down the road feeling dumb as a box of rocks because I didn't, but I was so tired yesterday that it was unreal, and I'm just as tired this morning. Be it being tired is not a good thing. And I've been doing this running on empty for a while. I think I'm going to go to bed and just call it a day today. Might do it again tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling tomorrow. From the way the weather's looking, it's supposed to rain pretty much for the next week. So, yay, rain. Uh, Sad part is trying to mow the lawn and do things around outside don't happen real well when it's raining outside. And it does make the grass grow and the weeds grow like crazy. It is what it is. Life happens. Anyway, yeah, I'm tired. Oh, I'm tired and I ate a bunch of food. Yeah, food, lots of it. And now I'm wanting to go to sleep and not face the world because, well, I need sleep. It is what it is. And apparently, I'm getting a whole bunch of mail from my post office box. And that's a good thing, I'm guessing, because it means I'm getting all my stuff showing up where it's supposed to show up. But they're binging and binging and binging and binging and bing. Been dinging like crazy this morning. Between that, this, and the other, it's trying to drive me crazy. But it is what it is, and that's okay. But I'm ready to call it. I don't know about you, but I need some sleep. So this is Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. I hope you've had a blessed day and that it works out good for you. I'm fishing. Fish is out. Yep.